it. This is the good. This is what people look all their lives to find. And baby, we found it right on time.
Beach 154便、カイバベルト着用といなって、シートベルトをご自分スイッチで、
We'll fly from Fukuoka to Osaka. See you later.
ご使用いただけます。
Touchdown, Osaka. Naiwan kami ng limousine bus going to the city. Say hi. Hi. Naiwan kami.
Paano si Uncle? Sasabihin lang kailangan pang bumili ng ticket, di pa masabi sa akin. Hindi talaga nakabili ng ticket, kailangan pala may ticket ka bago sumakay yung bus. Sinasabi niya lang sa akin, ICIC. So akala ko itatap lang yung credit card sa bus, tapos pwede na sumakay. Di pala kailangan pang bumili ng ticket.
So, ang ending, naiwan kami. Ayan. Diyan. Kailangan pong bumili ng ticket dyan. It's okay for the experience. Ngayon, waiting kami for 30 minutes for the next bus. Magbabas kami guys kasi muntik na ako mahimatay sa presyo ng ng Uber. $200 papunta sa hotel. Pag kinonvert mo sa peso nasa 8,000. Now we're here in the bus.
Cannot book taxi. Taxi is almost 200 Singapore dollar. I thought $18 only. 23, 24, 32 maximum.
Yan na naman yung bunganga niya na parang may microphone.
Microphone.
In your past life, you're a microphone.
You know, in the heaven.
Okay. 1 hour yung biyahe. Let's go. Baby, can eat pala here.
I don't know.
I'm so thirsty.
Be patient.
Exactly, they go. They don't wait talaga. Pag na-late ka ng 1 minute, iwang ka talaga. Lalang kami, oh. Si ate isa. Kumakain. Silang pake kung may sasakay o wala. Basta yung time na departure, aalis sila.
This is for the...
Wala pa kaming tubig, walang kain. Japan pa more. Welcome to Osaka.
Thank you so much.
You're not allowed to get off the bus and the passengers by law.
One eternity later.
Now we're on our way to Dotonbori. Ginabi na kami kasi nagpahinga pa.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. It's a 14-minute walk from our hotel. Tangina, nakalimutan ko na naman dalhin.
Ingay!
Nakalimutan ko na naman dalhin yung mic ko. Japan, Japan. You know what is Japan? Just always pray at night.
I know.
I tell you.
I know.
You know what is Japan?
Japan is Japan.
Japan is just always pray at night. Nag-iisip.
Morning ka not.
If morning, it's Japan, not Japan. Just always pray at morning.
Sometimes naman, I pray 2 times a day. Morning and night time.
Eh di your Japan, Japan. Now we're in Japan na talaga.
Oo, not night also.
Night also, di ba? Just always pray at night. Now we're here. First FP in Dotonbori, takoyaki. Let's eat, baby. Let's try.
Ito yung still hot.
This is the takoyaki.
You eat lang this one only.
Sobrang fresh ng octopus, ma'am. Parang buhay pa. Charot. Sobrang init ng putang ina. Naiyak ako bago. Guys, ang gulo dito sa Dotonbori Street. Ang saya. Pag magulo talaga masaya eh. Can we sit here so you can eat well? Oh, sit na. I wanna eat na. Kasi... kasi sobrang init. Grabe, ang daming pwedeng kainan dito. Sobrang solid. Kaliwat kanan may street food. Harap.
It's like kwek-kwek.
It's not kwek-kwek. Maybe the shape. So far naman, kwek-kwek is egg eh. That one is octopus. Gyoza. XFT gyoza.
Yeah.
Sobrang spicy. We got the gyoza. Lahat pila, bes. Now, we will find something to sit. Sting Ganto pala ang buhay.
Ganto pala buhay.
Let's eat gyoza, baby. After we fall in line. I hope this is nice, ha?
So you can sit in the middle of the road. So hot again?
So what again? It's fucking hot. But it's so nice. Diba? You just use the famous one. Guys, nahihilo na kami. Ang dami-daming tao dito. Lakad-lakad lang. Kasi guys, I'm planning to buy some vintage watch here in Japan. So we're looking. Meron nun kami nakita.
Also,
Fall in line again. Girl. Fall in line na naman, girl.
NANI?!
Pastry, like let's taste it. This is a strawberry smoothie. Not acid. Yung alamig na nga, tapos malamig pa iniinom.
For sure.
What's up guys? So now we're on our way to Osaka Castle. And nag-decide kami na maglakad na lang instead of taking the railway. We decided to walk para naman masulit namin yung Osaka. It's nice to walk around naman the city kasi hindi naman mainit dito. I mean, may sunlight but the wind is still cold. So hindi rin kami pinagpapawisan. We'll cross the road. Sa Singapore naman, pag naglalakad rin kami, minsan inaabot kami ng 30 minutes to 1 hour. So, Osaka Castle is 30 minutes away from our hotel. So, pwede na. Lakad-lakad din pag may time. Tunawin yung lahat ng yakiniku na kinain ko kagabi. Sobrang dami. Time check, it's 11 a.m. Stop over muna kami para magkape. Check nyo to. Sobrang old school. Ang sarap naman yung kape. We need to cross the other side, so we will use the footbridge. So I think we're here already. Time check, it's 12 p.m. Chill muna kami dito, guys. View namin. Wow! lalabas dito. You're so
Ganda?
pretty, baby. Ganda. Now, we will explore the castle. Finally, this is it. The Osaka Castle. Okay na, pwede na. Okay na, pwede na umalis. Dito pala si, Park Soyung. Park Soyung. Park Shin-hye? Park Shin-hye? Park Pang-hye? Oh. We will go inside the castle, but we need to buy ticket. Then, the line is like this. Let's go inside. I'm with Park Shin-hye.
Park?
I'm with IO, not IU. Putang ina lang naman. Non-stop line, non-stop queuing. Hi! What's up guys? So ngayon nasa loob kami ng Osaka Castle Museum. Sa mismong castle nasa loob kami. Ngayon dito kami sa 5th floor. Kanina kasi sa pagpasok namin, from 3rd floor to 4th floor, hindi pwede mag-take ng pictures and videos kasi andun lahat ng artifacts nila. So, not allowed yung photos and videos earlier. Ngayon dito sa 5th floor, I think pwede na. Papahinga muna kami. Aakyatin namin hanggang 8th floor. These are the different battle flags they used in the war before. Kaya palang daming tao ngayon kasi today is the 94th birthday of the Osaka Castle. Grabe, sobrang swerte namin na nandito kami ngayong araw na to. Stig. This castle was completed on November 7, 1931. Today is November 7. Grabe guys, sobrang solid. They have lipstick. Naka-lip tint siya. Now we will go up to the 6th floor. This tower is until 8th floor. We're just using stairs. Let's go. Cardio to guys, cardio. Oh, now we're here in 8th floor. 8th floor, ito na yung pinaka-tuktok niya.
Yeah.
Wow. Baby, we did it. We climbed the fucking stairs until 8th floor. So cool. Wow, this is the view. Wow! We're on the top of Osaka Castle. Kitang-kita mo lahat dito kung dati kang emperor dito. Kita mo agad pag may kalaban dun. Tapos na. Now we will go down na. The elevator is only on the 5th floor, so we need to use the stairs again. Let's do this. We can do this, baby. Can do this, baby. See? We're here. She feel dizzy.
Now you're out.
We made it. We made it. Bye-bye, Castle. Bye-bye. Now we will find something to eat here.
Kain na tayo!
May nakita kami
Kumain ka na!
street food earlier. May performance pa, guys. Ay.
Okay, my friends, you ready? Okay, 3, 2,
Looking for food.
Let's see first.
We will eat muna. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ganda ng spot namin dito, guys. Oh. Kakain kami, ganyan yung view. What are we having? The pork. This one, wagyu.
Which one is beef? You eat first.
We have the wagyu fried noodles.
キラキラと眩しいあなたに心奪われてしまいそう惹かれていく私ばかり光るあなたは
Now we're on our way to Nipponbashi. Nag-Uber na kami kasi ang sakit na ng paa namin. We're here at Nipponbashi. Yung jacket na ako, medyo malamig na. Nakaramdam na ako ng lamig. So, we bought some things. We're still walking here. We go to anime naman next. One round. Baka 1 hour. She's so happy.
Eventually.
暁は集った。コナン、イタチ、サメ。
Tapos na guys, nakatulog ako. Gaan ang kamay ni Kuya. Mimili na ng mga pasalubong and souvenirs. Wow, wow, wait. Sobrang hassle ng buhay.
First and last experience of God.
Sobrang hirap niya i-figure out. Naligaw-ligaw pa kami.